Hello and welcome to Technistic. Today we're revealing the exciting world of Elon Musk's $55,000 house. The revolutionary new house that has hit the market by storm and is set to change the way we think about real estate. In this video, we'll explore everything there is to know about this innovative new housing option. First, let's talk about the man behind the house, Elon Musk. The Tesla CEO and founder has made a name for himself as a visionary and innovator. He's founded numerous companies with the aim of making life sustainable and comfortable on Earth, and even has plans to make life multiplanetary. Musk is known for practicing what he preaches, and this is evident in his decision to withdraw all Tesla payments using Bitcoin due to its heavy use of computational power powered by fossil fuels. So, it comes as no surprise that Musk has turned his attention to the housing market. Through the company called Boxabl, Musk is offering a sustainable and affordable housing option that is poised to revolutionize the industry. But what exactly is Boxabl? Boxabl is a tremendously innovative company that was founded by Galliano Tiramani and his father Paolo Tiramani, who is the current CEO. The company was established in 2017 with the goal of providing a better, cheaper, and faster way of building houses. By making construction compatible with assembly line mass production, Boxabl is able to offer sustainable housing options at a fraction of the cost of traditional homes. Musk joined the Boxabl team and brought even more innovative ideas to the table. The result is a foldable house that can be shipped and assembled on site in just a few hours. These houses are made from factory-built room modules that can be folded up from large 20-foot rooms to small 8-foot highway legal loads. This allows for mass production of factory-built homes and has opened the door to affordable housing options for many people. But what do these houses look like? The $55,000 houses offered by Boxabl are simple, but they are designed to be sustainable and comfortable. They come equipped with all the necessary utilities, including electricity, water, and sewage. The houses are also designed to be customizable, so buyers can choose the features and finishes that best suit their needs. The Boxabl house is built using factory-built room modules, which allows for mass production of the houses using assembly line techniques. This makes the construction of the houses much more efficient and cost-effective. One of the unique features of the Boxabl house is its ability to fold up from large 20-foot rooms to small 8-foot highway legal loads. This allows the houses to be easily transported to their final destination. The Boxabl house has been well received by the public, and many people are interested in purchasing one for themselves. The $55,000 price tag makes the house an affordable option for many people, and the sustainability features of the house make it an appealing choice for environmentally conscious consumers. Now, you may be wondering if Musk himself lives in one of these houses. The answer is no, although he does live in a simple prefab home in Boca Chica. In fact, Musk has claimed to have sold all of his property, with the exception of one house that he rents out for events. He seems to be committed to a minimalist lifestyle, and has stated that he wants to focus on sustainable energy with Tesla and the future of consciousness with Spacex. In context, Musk stated that he is working on sustainable energy for Earth with Tesla and protecting the future of consciousness by making life multiplanetary with SpaceX. But how many people can live in one of these houses? The foldable houses offered by Boxabl are designed to be spacious, with enough room for a family of 4 or 5. In fact, Musk himself has 6 children, triplets and a set of twins, from his marriage to novelist Justine, as well as a baby with musician Grimes. So, even a family as large as Musk's could comfortably live in one of these houses. In addition to its affordability and sustainability, the Boxabl house also offers a number of other benefits. The houses are built using high-quality materials, and are designed to be durable and long-lasting. They are also energy efficient, and come equipped with a number of state-of-the-art utilities, such as solar panels and energy-efficient appliances. Despite the many advantages of the Boxabl house, there are some potential challenges that the company may face in the future. One of the main challenges is the limited availability of the houses. Currently, the company can only produce a limited number of houses due to the constraints of the assembly line production process. However, the company is working on expanding its production capabilities in order to meet the increasing demand for the houses. Another potential challenge for the company is the competition from other affordable housing options. There are many other companies that offer similar products, and some of them may be able to offer lower prices or more advanced features. However, the unique design and sustainability of the Boxabl house may give the company an edge over its competitors. Nevertheless, Elon Musk's $55,000 house is a game-changer for the housing industry. Through his company, Boxabl, Musk is offering a sustainable and affordable housing option that is sure to revolutionize the way we think about real estate. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer, a young family, or a retiree, these foldable houses are worth considering as a housing option. Overall, the Boxabl house is an exciting and innovative product that has the potential to revolutionize the real estate industry. With its affordable price, sustainability features, and high-quality construction, the Boxabl house is a valuable addition to the real estate market. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful or informative. If you did, please hit the share and like buttons and consider subscribing to our channel. We post new videos every week and we would love to have you as part of our community. By subscribing, you will be notified every time we release a new video, so you won't miss out on any of our content. See you in the next episodes.